Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to continue working on the NSX. We are going to do some finishing touches on it and install some mods and get it one step closer to finally being back on the road again. Finally got this beauty unboxed and here it is, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys already knew what kind of exhaust this was. Yes, this is the Armytrix titanium Valvetronic catback exhaust from Armytrix, and then we also have the Armytrix ceramic coated titanium high flow performance race pipes as well. Look at these beautiful hand welded welds, and also the burnt tips look absolutely amazing, not to mention how light this thing is. I can look at this, picking this thing up with one hand. I'd say this thing probably weighs like 10 to 12 pounds, maybe 15, and it's going to be interesting to compare the weight from this titanium exhaust to the OEM one. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and unbolt that OEM exhaust, pull it off, and then we'll pull off the downpipes as well, and then we'll also do some comparisons to that. So let's check out what we need to do and start removing things. Oh damn, this thing is at least like 25 pounds. But the weight comparison to the stock one to the aftermarket one is a huge difference. This thing, like I said, is a good 20-25 pounds, and then this Armytrix downpipe is probably like, I don't know, 7-8 pounds. I wish I had a scale to show you guys, but huge difference. Definitely some big weight reduction. Also going to be a drastic sound change and also better for the performance. Got the area organized a little bit better now, and I have both of the exhausts on display here. The top one being Armytrix, obviously, and then the lower one being the OEM one. And take a look at this Armytrix exhaust. Very nice, beautiful titanium lightweight exhaust along with the downpipe. Without wasting any more time, guys, let's get started. Got the axle back all bolted up and good to go. Now before I actually start the car, I need to actually wire up the Valvetronic system for this exhaust. So here's the box where it comes with all the remotes, and then you just plug this into the OBD2 port. And then we have some instructions here. It comes with pictures. Very easy. So I'm going to install this, and then we will finally be able to start it. Alright guys, got the wheels installed, car lowered on the ground. Now let's give it its first start. Oh yeah, let's take it out on the road. Huge difference from when I first got it. Like I said, it sounded like a Prius, and now it kind of sounds like a GTR a little bit with the valves closed. And now let's hear what it sounds like with the valves open. This is going to be with open valves. This is going to be closed valves. So that is going to be it for the sound test. I hope the audio turned out amazing on video and you guys got a good comparison of the open and closed valve. So yeah, basically if you want to sneak out the house, or you live in an apartment or something and you don't want to wake up your neighbors, all you got to do is just close your valves. But if you ever find yourself in Mexico one day and you're feeling fast and furious, all you got to do is open the valves and boom, you got yourself a nice race car here. So huge shout out to Armytrix. Shout out to the train driver as well, but huge shout out to... Alright, right, I guess we'll wait for him to pass. As I was saying, huge shout out to Armytrix for hooking up the NSX with the exhaust and finally waking this beast up. And if you guys want to get an exhaust for your car, I will leave a link in the description down below to their website, and you guys can check out what they have. They pretty much have exhausts for any car, and your car can sound amazing just like this one as well.